from your meetings with world leaders and think tanks?
That they stand with India, and they also understand what has been happening in Indian soil, and also that there is a difference between the terror attacks in India and many other countries, because in India it is sponsored by a country, and it is just not that these terror outfits are working alone on their own. We've been able to explain that difference, our government and the Prime Minister has clearly stated that we are no longer prepared to distinguish between nations which sponsor terrorism and terror groups or terror outfits. So we've been able to explain this, and they understand and they stand with India. Because they understand that terrorism sees no boundaries.
Opinion
No,
like
I
that?
think there's just not one moment. I think every moment this delegation met people. It was a very reassuring thing that India comes together as one. When we can have our issues, we can have different ideologies, we come from different political backgrounds, and in parliament we can have heated arguments, but when it comes to the case of India, we stand as one. We can be people of India, we can be chosen representatives, whoever it is, we stand together is what the message we brought.